we have given compound statement, and we have that P is false. Next, we have that Q is true, and R, the simple statement, is true. So let's see what we have here. We have disjunction statement because we have this symbol OR. So we know that disjunction is true is enough if one of this component is true. So let's see what we have here. Inside this bracket we have parentheses, so we will start inside. We have P and negation of Q. So we have negation of true. Negation of true is false. So we have not Q is false because Q was true. Next we have P and not Q. So let me write this. P and not Q. P is false. And we know that conjunction is true when both of components are true. So because P is false and negation of Q, we have not Q is false. So it means this is false. Next, we have OR. So we have here disjunction. Disjunction is false only when both simple statements are false. R is true. So it means that this whole expression in brackets is true. So let me copy this. P and not Q or R is true. Why? Because R is true and we have disjunction here, and disjunction is true when one of these components is true. So we have that this brackets, whatever we have in this brackets, is true. Because we have OR between these two statements, so we know that this whole compound statement will be true. Why? One more time. Because we have here disjunction. Disjunction is true when one of these components is true. Because whatever we have in brackets is true, it means that this whole compound statement is true. Let me write this. We have P and not Q or R in brackets, and we have OR, and in parentheses we have P and not Q. So this is true. This is my solution.